Hi guys, I'm Alex, and in this quick video I have this IdeaPad 330 from 2018 from Lenovo, and the hard disk is damaged. So let's upgrade with the solid state disk. So remove all the screws at the bottom. I'm already removed most of the screws, so here is the last one. So. And remove the DVD burner. So all screws are removed, and then you can use a plastic card to open this case. I'm already opened one time this case, so we try to the second time. So here you have to grab here, and now be very careful. Voila! The laptop. Yeah, a small mainboard inside. Let's zoom in. So here is the battery. To remove the battery, unplug the connector, and you have one screw, two screw. In this model the type is, you can see it here, L16C2PP2. That's the model of this battery. Maybe there are different batteries in this series. So you can also see here is the RAM. Some RAM is fixed on the motherboard, and you have one slot to upgrade. I think up to another 16 GB RAM. In this model we have this, here is a 4 GB DDR4 2666 RAM, and so you can upgrade this RAM, this laptop, with more RAM. Here you can find the battery. BIOS battery is a standard battery with a cable you can unplug here, and here is the Wi-Fi card, and you can see here is the fan. You can remove this screw, and yeah, that's it. Remove only this one screw to remove this fan. And okay, let's do it for you. So one screw, and be very careful. You can see here the cable for the Wi-Fi. Oh. So unplug here. Be very careful. So, and in this model is the type. Zoom out. That's the type of this fan. You can find it on eBay or something. So you can also clean this part here with air pressure. So back with the cable, and back with the cable here. I like it, but we have time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, perfect. So back with the screw, zoom out a little bit, So you can also see the CPU is fixed on the motherboard. You can't change the CPU. And you can also see the keyboard is fixed under this top cover, so you can't easily change the keyboard. Better you buy a complete top cover, and you have to change the complete mainboard, motherboard, battery, and also the hard disk. So here you can find the hard disk. So a little bit zoom in, so you can open and plug off. So it's easy because you can see it here. It's a normal SATA connection cable. So now open here. There's a head crash. It's a damaged hard disk. So now I have this brand new Samsung. Have to open it. So, and now it's with 1 terabyte. Genau. Plug in, you can see it here. So, and now we can plug in, be careful, so, and voila, that's it. So clip it, because here's a little clip, you can see, you can clip it under there. So that's it. So zoom out. Yeah, I think that's it. So back with check all the cables. Okay, Wi-Fi card is connected, fan is clean, everything is connected. Here is the connector for the DVD burner. So, and then back. And back with the DVD burner. No. So what's the problem? Clip it. So, yeah, voila. Back with all the screws. And that's it. So if you want to start this laptop from a USB stick, plug in the USB stick. So and on the most Lenovo, if you want to start from the boot menu or to go to BIOS, you can find a little hole here. So zoom in. So here you can see that's the reset button. Use a little thing, so, and then go in and you can press a key, so ta-da, and zoom out. Well, try it once again. So now it starts. So, and then you can select here BIOS menu or boot menu, and now we can boot from our USB stick with Windows 10. You can restart. You can also go to BIOS and select the boot. Here press F2 for BIOS. So now you can change here the boot configuration, or you say exit, you can shut down again. So shut down and press this again, so now it boots again, and we select boot menu, and here is the chat flash, and now we have to wait. We can install Windows 10 on this laptop without any data on the brand new solid state disk. You have to wait. If you have any questions, you can write in the comments on YouTube, and that's it. So I install that now. Goodbye.